We are hiking the tall tree trails just outside of Prince Rupert. And we're just gonna be vlogging a bit of it. And pretty much tall trees, it goes, what do you say, 8-10 kilometers up Mount Hayes. Or whatever this mountain is called. And so yeah, first little bit.
Is it not 5 up and 5 down?
Okay, 5 up, 5 down. Anyways.
I'm not doing 20K.
You basically have to climb a mountain. And so it's fun. It's a fun little hike. Anyways, you wanna know why it's called tall trees? We'll take a look at this. Look at that. Monster. That's a big ass tree, isn't it? It's a monster tree. Like, you don't see trees like this in fucking Ontario. Maybe I shouldn't swear on this channel. Yeah, look how big. Look at her and look how big that tree is. She looks like a little dwarf. Like right beside that tree. Look at that. It's massive. Someone came along and put these like orange little tags on the trees. It's really nice to know that people are still looking after this trail. You know, it'd be sick to look after these trails. Like, you basically like get sent out, go hiking, and just put like orange tags on trees while enjoying the beautiful nature. And yeah, and you get a good like little workout out of it too. I really hope you guys enjoy the nature content, and we'll see you guys right up at the top. Peace out. Yeah, feel the burn. Woo! Feel the burn. No pain, no gain. Whew. You know, it's also a good practice to be loud while you're hiking, talking, to deter creatures like bears. Yeah, you don't want to surprise a bear. No siree, nope. Okay, more hills. Oh yeah, that's a cool rock. Tree, no, that's a tree. Hey, leave me alone.
Sweat.
It's a rain.
No, it's not.
No, it's wet. Yeah, totally.
Don't know how far we've gone. We're lost in the wilderness. We're gonna die. No, we aren't. I got granola bars and Teddy Grahams.
today we're going to go to the Tall Trees viewpoint, 700 meters. See you there. Well, we made it all the way to the viewpoint. It's very foggy right now, so there's not much of a crazy view. So I'll be attaching another video that I took with my phone on the last time we came up here, and you'll see it's beautiful. But I'll show you what we got right now. Still pretty cool. And the other cool part is that, yeah, you did climb a fucking mountain and you feel great and amazing, and yeah, it's just amazing. Thank you guys for joining us on our Tall Trees hike, and I hope we see you. Hey, buddy. I hope we see you next time. All right. Ciao.